Hi, me again, Carmen from Romania, to Happy Moodlers. Today I'm going to show you how to work with activities. So, because I already have inserted some media, some YouTube files with me and my son, paragliding, I'll enter media. I'll open one of these files, I'll turn editing on, and in this gallery I would like to add an item. I will call it my son. Then as a description I'll put a photo describing paragliding in Lipova, my town. And then I will drag down, I will scroll down, and I will insert not a thumb, but I could do that. I will choose to drag here a file. From my downloads, it is here. I will call it my son. I will upload this file. Okay, and then I have written the caption, I have written the description. It's already chosen as an item to display. The content is the file. I can write a tag, paragliding. The original author is me, Carmen. The date is already enabled, so I can only save the changes. And it's already there. Lucky me. And I can add another item. Let's say, as a caption, I will put my town, Lipova, and I will add another file. I will choose one from my downloads. Okay. I will call it my town. And surroundings. I will make it public. It's already there. I will save the changes. And it's already there. Lucky me. So that would be all for today. Let's go back and see if they have been unloaded. They have been loaded in my media collection. We must choose if it's on. I don't know. know for sure, but we will see. It's already there. I hope you have enjoyed this short session for today, and see you next time. Bye bye, happy moodlers. Love you.